The most budget-friendly Akko switches. There is a long-standing debate about which type of players get the most immersive gaming experience, PC users or console users. While this video is not intended to pick a definitive side, I can say for certain that gamers on PC lead in customizable user experience. We all have different preferences when it comes to the ideal keyboard feel. Some people will prefer a keyboard that is loud and clicky, while others may root for the smooth and silent types. Whichever your taste, there are different Akko board switches out there to meet your demands. Without further ado, let's get into the 5 most budget-friendly Akko board switches available on the market. My review will focus not only on switches with low budgets, it will also cover how comfortable they are and the type to get based on what you're searching for. Number 1. Akko CS Jelly Black switches, $16.99. Number 1 is the Akko CS Jelly Black switches. As the heaviest switch the company has to offer, the Akko Jelly Black is a linear switch that will require more traveling during typing. It has a 50-gram actuation force with an extension spring. That is quite a lot of effort compared to other mechanical keyboard switches. It comes with a 3-pin connector that guarantees additional stability and less wobbling during use. However, unlike some keyboard switches we have on the list, the Jelly Black is on the quiet side. Like all linear switches, you'll get to experience a traditional typing feel without extra features that may prove to be bothersome to some. The price of a pack is around $16.99, with each pack containing 45 pieces. You may want to purchase 3 packs to completely replace all the keys on your mechanical keyboard. The switches arrive in top-notch packaging, surpassing expectations for the price. Plus, each switch is securely seated in its own slot on a tray, ensuring that there is a reduced risk of bent pins. Number 2. Akko CS Silver, $18.99. In the same Akko CS series, we have the Akko Silver. For PC gamers, peripherals are very important, and you don't get a better component to add to the game experience like the Akko Silver. Unlike the Jelly Black of the same series, the Silver is solely designed for speed. It is one of the fastest linear switches available on the Akko switch market, with an actuation force of 45 grams, plus or minus, with a relatively short pre-travel of 1 mm. You will not have to worry about clutching that tight spot in your favorite game. It has a polycarbonate top housing that is high quality and worth the price tag of $18.99. Number 3. Akko CS Lavender Purple, $13.99. Next up is the Akko CS Lavender Purple. Unlike the first 2 switches on the list, it is a tactile keyboard. A tactile keyboard switch is a favorite choice among users for characteristics such as a noticeable bump or actuation point that provides feedback to the user and allows for more accurate typing. With a high actuation force compared to linear switches and a distinct click sound upon activation, the Akko CS Lavender Purple helps reduce typing errors and enhances the typing experience. It has a similar actuation force of 45 grams as the Silver. These features make the tactile keyboard switch a good choice for those who value accuracy and want a satisfying typing experience. Number 4. Akko Radiant Red Switch, $13.99. Number 4 is the Akko Radiant Red Switch. This switch provides a smooth and fast typing experience to the user. It also has a linear keystroke with a 53-gram actuation force, a feature that allows for quick and effortless key presses, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming or typing. There is no tactile bump or audible click, resulting in a quiet typing experience that won't disturb others in the same room. If your significant other finds your aggressive gameplay distracting, the Akko Radiant Red Switch is the switch for you. The consistent feel of the switch from key to key enhances clicking speed and accuracy, making you a juggernaut in-game and a ninja in your house. Because Akko makes sure to produce quality items that are reasonably priced, this switch comes at around $13.99, the same price as the CS Lavender Purple. Number 5. Akko CS Jelly Blue Switch, $11.99. Finally on the list is the Akko CS Jelly Blue Switch. For the low price of $11.99, you will get a smooth, linear keystroke with a pronounced tactile bump and audible click. This makes it ideal for those who enjoy a satisfying typing experience and want to be able to distinguish each key press. It has a 50-gram actuation force, and is suitable for fast-paced gaming, as it allows for quick and accurate keystrokes. Some users may find the sound and feel of the Akko CS Jelly Blue switch to be too loud or pronounced, but for some reason I enjoy the tactile feedback and audio cue that it provides. And for that price, I think it's just so worth it to purchase. In the end, your choice of Akko keyboard switches depends on your preference. If you are looking to get a more comfortable keyboard experience, picking any of the listed products above will definitely be a nice introduction to a smooth and pleasant keyboard and mouse gaming experience. Plus, they are quite functional in the workplace as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you at the next one.